Plug and play is a technology that allows computers to automatically detect, configure, and use hardware devices without requiring manual setup. This makes it easy to connect peripherals like keyboards, mice, printers, external drives, and network adapters without needing to install drivers or adjust system settings manually. When a PNP device is plugged in, the operating system detects it, searches for the appropriate driver, either from a built-in library or by downloading it, and configures the device for immediate use. This eliminates the need for users to manually install drivers or troubleshoot compatibility issues. PNP became widely known with Windows 95, making hardware installation much simpler compared to earlier systems where users had to manually configure settings like IRQs and ports. Today, modern operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux have advanced PNP capabilities, allowing seamless integration of new hardware. This technology is essential for everyday computing, as it enhances usability, saves time, and reduces the risk of errors when installing new devices. Whether you're plugging in a USB flash drive, a Bluetooth headset, or an external monitor, Plug and Play ensures that your device works almost instantly with minimal effort.